Hello. Today I'm making this video to introduce about indoor chiller, a very good product for cooling the water going through the intercooler. So basically the kit came with every single parts need to complete the installation. It comes with additional condenser and a filter dryer and a fan, plus all the fittings and hoses. We didn't have to buy anything else. So basically from the condenser the output goes until here. From here it goes to the new condenser, filter dryer, then output goes back, but with a valve. It has a check valve where you can turn off the AC gas going inside the cabin. So that's an optional. If you need more cooling on the indoor chiller, you can turn it off and make the cooling faster, and the output goes back normally. So this is the only fittings we had to make custom. Rest everything came with the kit. So we tested it and the result is amazing. And we made a storage tank, custom storage tank. It is holding 7 liters of water with thermal shielding, and the indoor chiller itself is installed just right behind the crash guard. So this installation is on an M3, and when I checked on YouTube I couldn't find any video. Installation of the tank, because in this location there's originally intercooler for the cooler. We removed the main intercooler or heat exchanger in the front and the sides, and on the side we installed the tank, additional tank 7 liters, and the condenser fit right in the location of the heat exchanger before. So installation, everything is clean, and we are using the stock water pump from the company itself, and we had to do some changes on the piping. So right now from the tank it goes to the pump, from the pump it goes in to the chiller, the out from the chiller directly goes to the intercooler, and this out goes to the tank on top of the tank. So we had to make some custom fabrication, but everything looks clean, good. So water come here, and from here it goes to the pump. And still we are using a stock storage tank right here. We can refill it from the top, and there is already breather line added, so the tank doesn't get airlock. And when we tested, it was like 10 to 12 degrees with water formation on top. So the coolant going inside is less than 10 degrees. So you will be getting intake temperature less than 10 degrees Celsius. The car is M3 S65 engine, and this is how we installed the indoor chiller on the car. So if you guys need any help on the installation, please contact us. Okay, thank you for watching the video. We will be coming back with more videos. Thank you.